Today, we'll uncover 5 psychological facts about a person who truly loves you. This will help you spot if they truly love you or not. Fact number 1. Increased empathy. When someone genuinely loves you, they show a remarkable ability to empathize with your emotions and understand your perspective. They'll be your rock, supporting you through thick and thin. Fact number 2. Positive regard. A true love holds you in high regard, seeing the best in you even when you doubt yourself. They appreciate your strengths and celebrate your achievements. Fact number 3. Active listening. Genuine love involves active listening. Your partner will hang on to your every word, showing genuine interest in what you have to say, making you feel heard and valued. Fact number 4. Sacrifice and support. Love often calls for sacrifices, and a person who truly loves you will willingly make them to ensure your happiness. They'll be there through thick and thin, offering unwavering support. Fact number 5. Emotional connection. The core of true love lies in the emotional connection. You'll share a deep bond, intuitively understanding each other's feelings without saying a word. Remember, love is a beautiful journey, and when you find someone who truly loves you, cherish them. If you enjoyed this video,